Imagine the exhilarating tilt of massive rotors transitioning from vertical lift to blistering forward flight, like a hybrid hawk unleashing speed and agility over battlefields, hauling troops into hot zones at twice the pace of legacy helos with pinpoint precision. Or could this revolutionary tilt rotor, the V-280 Valor, now designated MV-75, prove a costly misstep for the U.S. Army in 2025's drone-saturated wars, where hypersonic missiles in swarms exploit its transitional vulnerabilities, turning the future of assault into a high-stakes gamble that drains budgets without delivering dominance? Gear up, aviation adrenaline junkies, because on Defense Digest, we're tilting into the heated debate on whether the V-280 Valor is the right choice for the Army's future long-range assault aircraft program, replacing the venerable Black Hawk with promises of game-changing capabilities. And grip every riveting transition till the edge of your seat finale uncovers 2025's rapid advancements that might seal its fate. Pound that like if tilt rotors torque your turbines. Subscribe and smash the bell for more sky-shifting exposés. And drop a comment below. Is the Valor the Army's savior or a tilt too far? And could it out-tilt a hypersonic horde? Selected in December 2022 over the Sikorsky-Boeing Defiant after a fierce competition, the V-280 won for its superior speed of 280 knots, double the Black Hawk's, longer range exceeding 500 nautical miles, and ability to carry 14 troops or 12,000 pounds of cargo, powered by two GE T408 engines churning 7,500 horsepower each in a tilt-rotor design that enables rapid insertions from amphibious ships or forward bases without runways, all at a projected unit cost of $43 million, making it a strategic leap for contested environments like the Pacific amid China tensions. Proponents hail it as the perfect choice, with 2025 milestones like the May MV-75 designation, June's virtual prototype delivery for digital engineering, and October's prep for early production signaling accelerated fielding to the 101st Airborne by 2028. Pushing boundaries with fly-by-wire controls, modular cabins for medevac or armed escort, and AI-driven autonomy reducing pilot workload. Yet critics argue it's heavier than planned for special ops variants, potentially vulnerable to manpads during transitions, and a budget buster in an era favoring cheap drones over complex crewed platforms, as seen in ongoing supply chain scrutiny and debates on cost overruns. Picture it in action. Zipping through mock urban assaults at over 300 knots in tests, outpacing threats for surgical strikes. But whispers of electronic jamming flaws build the tension. Will hypersonic countermeasures and drone teaming fortify its tilt or doom it to grounded glory? As this Valor tilts into the horizon, laden with unspoken payloads and veiled tech, the heart-racing suspense peaks. What fatal exploit lurks next, and how will real-world ops prove if it's the Army's right choice? Don't tilt away now. Devour every high-speed beat. Like if this hooked your hovers, comment your Valor verdicts to stir the storm. Share with your squadron for the buzz, and subscribe to Defense Digest for non-stop nosedives into the rotors that rule the realm, because the next vertical verdict could Valor strike anytime. Stay tilted, Skyslayers.